Guys, YouTube just made it easier to get more views with their brand new A/B testing feature for titles. The title is one of the most important factors in getting clicks and views. It also helps to increase CTR. Previously, we used to upload a video and observed the performance of the video. If the video doesn't perform well, we just tweak the title and hope it works. Sometimes it helps a lot. But now you don't need to do it anymore. YouTube has added A/B testing feature for titles and thumbnails both. That means you can upload 3 different titles along with 3 different thumbnails for your single video, and YouTube will automatically test them with your audience interaction. After testing, YouTube will pick the best performing titles and thumbnails for your video. And trust me, this can boost your views by 1000% because it helps you find what actually works for your video. So let's see how you can boost your views with the help of this feature. First, let's go to the YouTube Studio and upload a video. Then you will find a new option below the title box called A/B testing. Click it and a new dialog box will appear. Now you can type 3 different titles. 3 new options are also shown: titles only, thumbnail only, and title and thumbnail. That means you can upload title only or thumbnail only. As we want to upload both title and thumbnail, we click on title and thumbnail. Now we can upload 3 different thumbnails and add 3 different titles. For example, let's upload 3 thumbnails and type 3 titles in the different dialog box for title and thumbnails. After that, click Test and Compare, and you will see that all 3 titles and thumbnails have been uploaded successfully. Hopefully, this new YouTube feature will help you to get more views on your video. If you want, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more videos like this. Bye-bye.